We are trying to get this Asian jasmine to extend into these areas here. We killed all that while putting in the pool. So we planted Asian jasmine and it's really taking root, but so is some Virginia creeper. So I'm gonna spray that. Just wanna wet the leaves, get as little, touch the Asian jasmine as little as possible, but you wanna just douse the leaves. And then right here, we've got some poison oak. Hit these 3 leaves. Again, trying to avoid the jasmine because we like the jasmine. Okay, now, it's a pretty good little coating. I'm gonna come back to this in a few days and show you the effects. So here we are the next morning. I'm a little worried because it rained literally 5 hours after I sprayed. And I want to see if it worked. Here's the first. Yep, okay, it did work. All right, so not ideal that it rained, but you can tell it took. See how it just kind of folded that Virginia creeper over? My wife says that kind of teepeed it. You can see the bend in the vine right there. And then this is the oak that I sprayed. You can see it's bent and start to wilt as well. So we'll see. I'm gonna come back in about a week or so. Hopefully it will actually do the job, but it looks like it definitely started it. So like this stuff. That's update number 1. And now it has been 10 days since the initial spraying, and we've been out of town. And here, oh yeah, here is the Virginia creeper. You can see it is completely browned and dead. That's awesome. And we've had rain like 3 or 4 times. I really don't think the rain affects it once it's been established for a few hours. And then here, wow, where is it? This is, oh yeah, there it is. There is the poison oak or ivy. I'm gonna get a stick. I still don't want to touch it. It's this one right here. Look at that. It is completely dead. Love it. Okay, this stuff works. Hope that helps you.